Judy Davidson with Franchoice, and I'm here at the Exponential headquarters in Irvine, California. And I'm here with Rick Brule from the San Francisco Bay Area, who flew in to attend Discovery Day for the Stretch Lab. Rick, you and I have been working together for what? About 8 weeks?
Yeah,
8 weeks?
Sounds about right.
And Discovery Day is the last step in the mutual investigation process. So why don't you tell the folks what your experience was at Discovery Day?
Well, it was a great experience. We started yesterday with a flex or a stretch. I'm sorry, with a flexologist, and that was really nice. It was a 50-minute stretch, but basically put me in the shoes of a customer to see what they were experiencing. So nothing better than going through that, and definitely discovered a lot just going personally through my own stretch. And so followed by a dinner to meet the executive team, which was really nice, you know, personally. So that was great as well. Got to really know everybody more on a personal and business level. And then today was a very thorough segment-to-segment training with all the heads, and that was very informative as well. So yes, it was.
So do you think Discovery Day is an important piece in the mutual investigation process?
Yeah, absolutely. There's no way I could have known as much as I know now without going through Discovery Day.
See it, feel it, touch it, experience it, and meet the heads of all the departments that are there to support you. And
yep, absolutely.
Awesome.
There's no way. So yeah, I definitely got way more than I actually thought I would. So it was great. Yes, absolutely.
Thanks, Rick.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you.